Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Muhammad Shweb. Welcome back. Today, in this tutorial video, we will learn how we can configure a repeat button action in a plant SCADA. This is a useful when you want a action to repeat as long as button is pressed. For example, controlling an analog set point or moving a motor to the new position continuously. So what actually repeat button action is doing? Repeat button action in the plant SCADA allow you to trigger a command repeatedly while the button is pressed. Unlike the normal momentary push button, the repeat button send multiple commands at defined time interval, making it idle for the task like incrementing or decrementing the set points. Or the if you want to change motor position every time over the new position. So for example, here we have a repeat button. So how it will work? Once you press your left mouse button, you will press that time it will execute the command. For example, if I will press this button continuously left mouse button, so I already put after every 1 second interval, this command should be on and then it should will become off. Once I release the button, it will become off. So until I will press again, so it will continuously with the specific time interval, it will continue give command to the motor. So let's see how we can configure in the plant SCADA. So we'll open the same project that we already created in our previous tutorial. Select the project, then launch the graphic builder. Open the overview page that we already created in our previous tutorial. Take the button and just write the name, repeat command, then come here in the input, select this repeat action. Previous tutorial will learn how we can do the up and down action, but here we will configure the repeat action. So we'll take the toggle command and here we'll put the command, the variable. Here is our variable name. So I will put same variable name here. And in the repeat rate, we have to put, for example, I will put the 1 second. Okay, you can configure it whatever time duration you want to put it. So that's it. Just click OK and little bit adjust the button and save it and close. Just compile it and after that run the our project. Click OK. So now here once I press this button, in that time my toggle command is execute every 1 second. So 1 second it's on, then it's 1 second it's off. So it's like generating a pulses continuously until I press this button. Once I release this button, then the command will become off. So Alhamdulillah, we learn in this tutorial how we can configure a repeated command in the plant SCADA. Thanks for watching this video.